Bonjour and welcome to Easy French Cooking. Today we are making a quick and easy tomato and tuna recipe. I'm Victor and today we are learning how to prepare tomato stuffed with tuna, tomate farcie au thon. It's healthy, it's refreshing, and it's done in 15 minutes. And this is it, tomate farcie au thon. So are we ready? Let's do it! So for 4 people we need 4 tomatoes, about 100 grams of tuna in oil, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, I'm using balsamic vinegar here, capers, they're optional but they give it a good kick, herbs, parsley, also you can use dill or chervil, salt and pepper. Now the gear, a chopping board, a saucepan, a mixing bowl, a knife and a teaspoon. First, hard-boil the eggs, 8 to 10 minutes depending on the size. In the meantime, we prepare the tomatoes. Chop the top off. Remove the inside. We keep the inside, which we can use later to make some pasta sauce, for example, not wasting anything. Add salt, turn them upside down to extract the juice. When the eggs are ready, we remove the shells. Then we finely chop the eggs. And also finely chop the parsley. We chop the capers. Now we mix it all, tuna, eggs, parsley, capers. We add the vinegar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and we mix it all together. We fill the tomatoes with our mixture. And voila! Tomate farcie au thon! Oh yes! Bon appétit! Well, how about that? Tomato stuffed with tuna, all done in 15 minutes. It's a great starter, quick and easy. Give it a go. So what do you think about this recipe? Did you enjoy the video? If you did, don't forget to give me the thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments. You guys want to keep up to date with the latest recipe? Well, all you've got to do is subscribe to my channel, Easy French Cooking, and check out my other videos. Well, that's it for today. See you soon. Keep on cooking. À bientôt.